Welcome to Tipster Hub, your home for smart tips, event guides, and life hacks to make every day easier. Let's dive in. Pick out your outfit before going to bed. This saves you from wasting precious morning minutes deciding what to wear. Set a short morning playlist. Once the last song ends, you know it's time to head out. It keeps you on track without checking the clock. Prepare quick breakfast like overnight oats or smoothies at night. In the morning, just grab and go.
Create a grab zone near your door for your keys, wallet, and phone. No more running around searching before leaving. If you love coffee, set your machine to brew automatically. Waking up to a ready cup saves time and boosts your mood instantly. Switch to 2-in-1 products like shampoo plus conditioner, and keep toiletries organized. You'll be in and out faster. Whether it's for school, work, or gym, pack everything the night before. Morning you will thank Nike. Put your phone away after setting the alarm. Scrolling in the morning is the fastest way to lose 20 minutes without realizing. Write down tomorrow's tasks before sleeping. It helps you wake up with focus and prevents morning confusion. Follow the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This prevents chores from piling up and makes mornings smoother. And that's it. 10 life hacks to save time every morning. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Tipster Hub for more smart tips, event guides, and life hacks every week. See you in the next video.